Style customizing your Gohighlevel dashboard is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Firstly, visit the Gohighlevel website and log in to your account. Once logged in, look for a settings or profile icon. This is usually located in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on the icon to access the settings menu. Next, within the settings menu, look for an option related to dashboard settings or customization. This section may have options for personalizing the appearance of your dashboard. Some platforms allow you to choose a color scheme for your dashboard. Look for options to select colors that match your branding or personal preference. Check if there are options to customize the layout of your dashboard. Some platforms allow you to rearrange widgets or choose which elements are displayed prominently. Explore options for adding your company logo or branding elements to the dashboard. If available, see if there are different themes you can apply to change the overall visual style of your dashboard. After making changes, there should be an option to save your customizations.